This one's at 32. It hit a max of 38. That's without the furnace even running. This one's sitting over here just running, and it's at 38. So I guess that tells you that they're both pretty accurate. And I did zero both of these out outside in the fresh air before I came in. They were both at 0, and I could really smell everything wafting just outside. Now it's gonna fire up again. Get that rollout. There's a self-resetting. Actually, maybe it was just a limit that tripped. I don't even see a rollout on here, but you can see the flames just completely outside, not even inside the cells. So I'm gonna take it inside both cells now. This would be cell 1. It's already pegged my meter.